All right, today we're going to try something really cool here. I want to show you how we can use different scales over the same chord. So I'm using my app Interval Matrix Pro. It's on the iPhone or the iPad, and the link will be in the description. And I think we're still looking for Google testers as well, but it is on the Google App Store as well, and I'll put that link up too. You can select any chord or any scale and any key laid out in intervals with this app, and it's really cool. But we can go from scales right here to chords right here. So I'm just going to play a basic G chord right here. So and I'm going to loop it here. So there's my chord. Now I'm going to go to my scale. So now I want to show you how just the G Ionian or G major scale sounds over this, because our chord has a 1, a 3, a 5, a 1, 3, 5, 1, right? Or 1, 3, 5, 1, 5, 1 is what I was playing. So I'm just going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now what I want to do, there's several major modes. So now I'm staying in G as my root, but I'm going to go to G Lydian. This has a sharp 4 instead of a perfect fourth. So we have 1, 2, 3, sharp 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, sharp 4. So that's got a very distinct sound, very different sound. And all we did was just change one note, this 4. We went from the perfect fourth to the sharp 4. Now let's look at another one of the major modes. And we're not playing in the key of G. G is our relative, so we're playing over a G triad, but we're playing the major modes. So here we're going to look at Mixolydian. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, flat 7, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have. Maybe I want to go to maybe I want to switch. That was Lydian. Maybe I want to go back to the major scale. What if I want to try something else? Anything that shares that 1, that major third, and that 5th is fair game that I can use over this. So I really like the Mixoblues Scale. I use this a lot because it has both a minor third and a major third. So I can go. Maybe I want to go to the dominant 7 pentatonic. I love this one too. It's got a 1, a 3, a 4, a 5, a flat 7, 1, 3, 4, 5, flat 7. So this is actually inside Mixolydian, but we have. Okay, so let's look at something else now. What I want to do now is just record a G minor chord. Okay, so now I want to look at some of the minor modes. So let's go back up to the major scale family. Let's start out with Dorian. And again, we're just in G right here. So we're going to go. Now I'm going to keep the same chord, but now we're going to look at Phrygian. It has a 1, a flat 2, a flat 3, a 4, a 5, a flat 6, and then a flat 7. Very cool sound there. So now let's look at Aeolian. That's the natural minor scale. That's a 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, flat 7, 1. Now let's look at the Harmonic Minor. Right here, we got a 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 6, then a major 7. Okay, so now let's look at the Melodic Minor. So the Melodic Minor, we're going to have a 1, 2, flat 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All right, now let's look at some other scales here that might share that. And there's different modes of the melodic and harmonic minor as well. I'm just kind of showing you some different scales over the same chord because this is how we can change our sounds. Let's look at the Dorian flat 2. That's the mode 2 of the melodic minor. So again, 1, flat 3, and a 5 because we're playing over a minor triad, right? So we have... Okay, so now let's look at the, I gotta go in, Hungarian Minor. I love this scale. 1, 2, flat 3, sharp 4, 5, sharp 5, 7, 1. So we're gonna go, and we can go anywhere. I'm just kind of playing around in this area a little bit. I'm just trying to show you how to get expressive with your playing. And Interval Matrix Pro has any chord you could ever imagine, and it has any scale you could ever imagine. And there's a 3-day free trial, and you can subscribe weekly, monthly. You can just buy the thing. I try to make it affordable for anybody, but this replaces all kinds of chords and scales books. Let's look at some other stuff here. So we have the... let's look at Enigmatic Minor. Let's try this. 1, flat 2, flat 3, sharp 4, 5. So we have... that's a cool sound too. So anyway, I'm just trying to help you open up some possibilities with your sounds. You know, you don't want to sound like everybody else. You want to be yourself. So using intervals, we can use anything that shares that 1, 3, and 5 in the major, or 1 flat, 3, 5 in the minor. And there's all kinds of chords we can use. Plus, we can use the arpeggios as well. So definitely check this out. It's Interval Matrix Pro. And if you really want to get in-depth studies, man, check out our school. We have it very affordable right now, founders rates, and we actually put this curriculum together based off of Shawn Lane and his teachings. And he was actually working with us on building an entire curriculum. He started out by working with Sid Wolf, my partner, who was also one of my professors at the Atlanta Institute of Music in the 90s. And then he was going to be part of the faculty there. So he was kind of writing his own thing to go along with what he was going to be teaching. And he wanted people to be free on their instruments. And when that didn't work out, he started working with me because I was his tech and student for almost 9 years. So anyway, it is school, SKOOL.com/Shawn Lane. Look, folks, you're going to get the best education you could ever get on the guitar, and it's only $29 per month or $300 per year right now. So definitely check that out. But anyway, I'm Jimmy Hudson. I approve this message.